This is all the clothes that needs to go back in the closet. Wish me luck. So the closet is done. I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hey. I'm working out with the moms. Yeah. And then as well, I'm going to be redoing this entire vanity. And no one was there, and I was like, what is happening? And good morning, everyone. Starting off this vlog with just a regular old intro. I didn't record any of my morning routine stuff quite yet, but I just want to kick off this vlog really fast because I do have a busy morning. So good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanine if you are new here, and I hope you guys will subscribe. I do vlogs every single Monday. So today's vlog is going to be showing you guys kind of a transformation in my home. I am today redoing my closet and my bathroom cabinets and my closet storage. There's just not enough storage in this house, and so I will show you guys kind of the before and after. I'm gonna go work out, and while I'm working out, they're gonna start on my bathroom, and then I'm gonna go work at a coffee shop, and while I'm doing that, they're gonna be redoing everything. So I'll be showing you guys the before and after, reorganizing. I'm gonna go work out, go to a coffee shop to work, and then I'll show you guys just kind of like the transformation. I'm really excited. It's much needed. My closet is just absolutely overfilling, which I know I should just get rid of stuff and I should sell and donate or whatever. I do that. I try to do that often, but right now it just looks like a disaster. So I'm gonna show you guys really fast the before and after, and make some coffee, make some breakfast, and get to the gym. So let's do it. Okay, so here's my closet before. It is absolutely just overwhelming. Very, very overwhelming. There's shoes all in the back, shoes here, and just clothes all the way from there. Stuff you guys can see. It's overwhelming. So I'll show you guys afterwards what he does, but that is it for now. And then as well, I'm going to be redoing this entire vanity, getting a brand new countertops, sinks, cabinets, because the reason with this is the paint started to chip. It's kind of a cheap material, and there's just not enough storage in here. You see, I have to put baskets and stuff, and I wanted to add cabinets and more drawers. So I will be doing that today. So here is the before. Lastly, this is my storage closet in my bathroom, and I want to add more storage because I feel like it's just wasted space. I do have stuff in here. As you guys can see, I have stuff up here. I just want to reorganize everything, but I just think this closet needs way more storage, and I can put my boots and coats in here and stuff more. So there's that. So the guy's coming at 9. It is 8:30, and I'm just gonna make some quick breakfast before he gets here. Try to go work out, and then I need to empty out all this stuff from my vanity before he gets here so he can organize it. Well, you guys just missed it. Just broke a glass, did my one dumb thing of the day. I shuttered it everywhere. All right, here's today's breakfast. It doesn't look the most appealing, but I did half a bagel and 2 eggs. All right, I'm just emptying everything out from these drawers, and that way he can just do everything. So I have some skincare in here. And then these are the last 2 things. Just putting everything over here for now. All right, we are here today. I'm dying. I feel like I'm here mentally. I'm not here. These are my workout buddies. Hi, ladies. Hi. I'm working out with the moms. Yeah. Mom squad. All right, that workout was so hard. I'm done and gonna go home, gonna go see what's happening at the house and go get ready. I showered here because they're using my bathroom right now, so I just showered here really fast. I'm just gonna wear this probably all day, all Fabletics, literally everything. All right, I just got back and he just dropped off my new cabinet. So there's 2 parts, as he was saying. Those are the closet. Yay, this looks so much better. It's beautiful, I love it. Taking out everything. I really need to get rid of some of this. There's so much stuff in here. Let's work out. Oh shoot. Oh, well, that's one way to do it. Oh no. Send help. All right, I just worked at a coffee shop for probably 4.5 hours. My butt cheeks are sore from sitting that long. Anyway, I'm going home. I'm gonna go see what the update is on the closets in the house. And yeah, okay, bye. Okay, I'm back home and I look like a mess, but so does my office. So they just stuck everything from my closet in here. I'm just gonna declutter and make sure that I'm not putting back anything that I don't really need. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and just declutter. Okay, so the contractors I've left for the day, I'm gonna show you guys really fast what the sink what the sink looks like, the new storage. It looks so much better. And I'm about to put all the products back in there. I look kind of like a grease ball, but here we go. So this is what I decided to go with. They have not got the hardware yet, so he's gonna install that, I think, tomorrow. So I can't use my sink tonight, which is fine, but I added so much more storage, which that's just really what I needed for like, they're also gonna add hardware here as well tomorrow, but this is what I needed was all of this, and then they need to clean this out. But finally more storage, which is just dandy. So I'm really excited about that. They added this in the closet. It's not exactly what I wanted, so I might need to make modifications, but that's what that looks like so far. Literally a disaster. And then he didn't finish my closet yet either. He's gonna finish this tomorrow and paint everything. But so far, now I can walk into my closet. I'm gonna have like dresses there, and then I can have 2 layers of clothing, and then shoes here, I think shoes there, and I'm gonna do another wall of shoes there. So I can finally walk into my closet. So that is what that looks like. Okay, this is all the stuff I have to sort through. My battery's dying, but I will hopefully give you guys an update afterwards. I'll try to vlog as much as I can until my battery dies. Okay, what drawer do I want to use? And this will be a medicine drawer. So this can be all like skincare. Is this back? All right, so here is some updates. Not done yet, but I've put most of my products back for the most part. Getting rid of a lot of stuff. Hair in here, more hair products. Self-tanning, travel products, makeup, skincare is gonna go in here. This is so great. I'm like, wow, so much room for activities. Oh gosh. This, I need to massively simplify. Like, look how horrendous this is. And so yeah, we made a lot of progress so far. You guys, here's what it looks like. We put everything away for the most part. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the hardware, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I love this so much. Love the new countertop. For the most part, yeah, everything is nice and organized. We got everything in there. I'm so excited. It just makes me so happy when things are just like clean and reduced. I got rid of so much stuff. So much better. Look at all that. And then we have travel products over here and like medicine and an empty drawer for anything else I might need. Yay, I'm so excited. And then yeah, the last thing we're just trying to do is just, I'm not gonna be able to do my closet today like he said, so we're just gonna take everything off my bed, put it on the bench for now so I can actually sleep tonight, and then he's gonna come back and fix the closet tomorrow. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get dinner with my mom. She doesn't like to be on camera, so I'll just see you guys tomorrow, and I'm excited. Yay, updates. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another day. So yeah, I think last I left off was just me going to go get dinner with my mom. Today's a new day. It is about 8 a.m. and I'm heading off. Wow, it's really bright. I'm heading off to go work out. Had a little bit of a more rushed morning than I would have liked, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go do leg day today at Vive, and then I got another busy day. Got a friend's event tonight. Got to work on another project. I need to finish cleaning up my house, putting all the clothing back, organizing all of that. So gonna work on that again today. But yeah, there's a lot of just like random stuff on my agenda today, and then just prepping for the wedding it's a lot, but it's like really exciting. So making sure my bridesmaid dress is good to go, and I got to work on my speech for the rehearsal dinner and all the things. So it's a crazy week. One of my friends is in town too that I'm gonna try to go see at a coffee shop. But yeah, I'll probably go to another coffee shop and just work, because I just have a lot of like super random things to get done. So that's the beginning of today's vlog. Let's see what today brings. And I'm just praying that whoever is watching this, that you know your worth, that you know you are loved, you know that God loves you so freaking much, that there's nothing you can do that can separate you from the love of God, no matter what you've done, what you are doing, have done, will do. He chooses you, he loves you, he cares for you, he made you, he designed you exactly how he wanted you to be. And so just know you are so loved and you're so chosen, and God loves you. And I pray that you believe that this morning. All right, let's go work out. I'm at the gym. Back with the moms. Hey, moms. I'm just dead hanging over there. Today's hard. All right, I'm back at the house. The closets are being redone. It's a disaster, and that ended the house. I'm just trying to get out of there here. I'm gonna probably go work at a coffee shop, but I need to get a lot of stuff organized before I go. So that's what I'm gonna do, just try to get ready, make lunch, organize before going to the coffee shop. Today's crazy, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so I just left the house while the house is being cleaned, because I'm trying to get it clean before the weekend of the wedding, since I'm hosting people, and they're just redoing my room. So it's just a little chaotic at the house. So I just got to a coffee shop. I'm gonna work here for a little bit, go back at my house around like 2:30, then to finish up organizing, cleaning, all the things. And then one of my old friends, Tracy, is here. My friend's from California, since everyone's starting to come in town for the wedding. So I'm gonna catch up with him. You guys might remember him if you've been following me for a while, but I'm gonna just go say hi to him. We're gonna catch up as well, and I'm just gonna get some work done. So let's go. I'm at one of my favorite coffee shops, Buzz and Bustle. Okay, the official update. Sorry, it's a little loud. People are vacuuming. So the closet is done. I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And now I'm gonna be putting everything back in it. Look at this. So much stuff. Send help. So I already went through a lot of the shoes that I want to get rid of. This is most of the stuff I'm keeping. Need to figure out my closet. This is all the clothes that needs to go back in the closet. Wish me luck. And here is the official closet. Look, yay. So I'm gonna put all my shoes here. This is gonna be for like dresses, because it's a little bit longer, so I can remove these. Everything's adjustable, so I can move any length that I want, or height, more like it. And then more shoes here, and then I'll stick baskets on top as I did before. But I love it, and I can actually walk in my closet. Yay. Before I put everything back in the closet, I wanted to show you guys the hardware that he added. I love it. It's so cute. I love this so much. So now I finally have some handles. The last thing I need is still just the faucets and him doing the plumbing. I think he's gonna come later today, but I love the way that looks. And now I need to put everything in the closet, which is so exciting. But also it's going to take a lot of work. So here goes nothing. Okay, well, 3 pairs obviously don't fit, which is a little frustrating, but I can make it work. Aesthetically, it's not as pretty, but or I could turn them. I don't know. Okay, for now, I put my bins back up there. Those are all my swimsuits and bags, but I will probably change those because they're a bit old and not really what I want. I may do more of like the wicker basket kind of look. That has all my sandals in it and stuff, so I might reorganize that and figure that out. Okay, I've been working for the last 2 hours on this and I have to go to an event. So far I'll show you guys the progress I made, but I'm just gonna stop and finish tomorrow because there's still a lot to be done. The good thing is I'm donating so much and decluttering the stuff that was in there for just like years that I didn't use. So I've simplified a lot and it's looking good so far. Looking pretty good so far. And I just need to cook dinner before going to the event, but I'll show you guys really fast what I did. Okay, so far, put all my shoes here. These are all my short like tanks and stuff, cute little tanks like that. Put some baskets up here, which like I said, I don't know if I'll keep. All my sweaters, long sleeves are gonna go there. Pants are gonna go here and here. I ended up taking out the rack just so I could have my pants fully dangle. I'm gonna stick laundry hampers there, shoes all here. And then I have more shoes back here. All my dresses and everything go there. It's still a tiny closet, but I am making it work. And then boots, some boots are down here. And then I have another laundry hamper. Then I'm just gonna keep this area nice and clean, leave this in here for when I need to go up here. But so far it's looking pretty good. I do have some extra space here, which is actually really good. I re-added that. I don't know what I'm gonna put there, but I just put it back for now. I may end up taking it out, but that's what that looks like so far. Still a mess in here, but I gotta get ready for this event. So let's go do that and put some makeup on. Okay, here's tonight's outfit. I went a little different than I normally do, but I got this dress from Zara. I'm wearing these old Sam Edelman boots and then just belt, Zara bag, and then I'm about to put my lipstick on. I put my hair up because it's really greasy. It's not looking my best right now, but it's what I got. So here's what I'm wearing. We're gonna go to my friend Ellie's event for her Be Kind, Humankind bracelet company. So let's go. Well, I just pulled my one done thing a day. I was going to this event and looked up the address and looked at, they had two different events today. Like one was like open to the public and one was like a private dinner with the friends. I went to the address that was open to the public. It was a coffee shop and I was like, this is odd. Like, why would they have it at a coffee shop? And no one was there. And I was like, what is happening? And I went back and scrolled all the way down to the email and it's at someone's house. And I am running so late. I'm embarrassed. Wow, this was not the venue I was expecting. This is insane. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go.
First trimester? Right.
Looking for my name.
Girl, honestly, you're
Sarah Rose is there. You know what my name is, love. This is Allison, everyone.
Hi.
Allison, Olivia, Emily, Shauna.
Fry.
We're Sarah Rose. There's Danny. Y'all know Danny.
And of course, like,
Hi, cutie. She's so tan. You just got back from Cabo.
thank you. I stayed in the shade the whole time.
No, you look great. You really do.
Thank you.
This is so cute. And they gave me a little coupon if you guys want to get anything. So it's My Saint, My Hero, as well as Little Words Project, which love them both. This is so fun.
Write a romantic comedy.
Guys, look how cute. With candy and popcorn over there. Little outdoor movie. All right, everyone. That is going to conclude today's vlog. I'm so tired. It's been a great day, but I'm very tired and I feel very productive. I got so much done. The event was really fun. It's for My Saint, My Hero, as well as Little Words Project, so that was really fun. And I think there's a coupon code. I think it's just Jeanine Amapola 15 if you guys want to check out any of the stuff. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll post again next Monday, another vlog. Heading into wedding weekend here for Maddie, and it's gonna be a crazy one. So you guys will see all the updates on my Instagram. Anyway, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Thank you for hanging out with me. It's a blessing. It's a joy. I'll see y'all next week. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, y'all.